Hi, hello, everybody. Welcome back to this channel, learning one question a day in oral histology. The question that we are going to do today is the functions of saliva, a very much repeatedly asked question. The answer should go like this. For the function of saliva, the composition of saliva is predominantly water. 99% is water, 1% is the other constituent, which could be inorganic, salts, ions, electrolytes, organic secretory proteins, enzymes like amylase, talin, lingual lipase, hydrolytic enzymes, and antibodies such as IgA, IgM, IgG. The whole saliva is secreted from all salivary glands. It's a composite with a pH of 6.4 to 7.4, which directly affects its function. About 750 to 1000 ml per day is secreted, of which majority is by submandibular gland, about 60%, and parotid gland is 30%, sublingual is 5%, minor salivary gland less than 1%. The salivary gland from serous component are more watery, and mucous glands are more viscous and contain more formed elements. The function main is protective. They contain lysozymes, buffer system, bicarbonates, phosphates. They contain immunoglobulins, antibacterial substance, and antioxidants, which are responsible for protection against bacteria and antivirals. The digestive functions include secretion of talin, lingual lipase, and hydrolytic enzymes. The talin digests or starts the digestion of carbohydrates, breaks down the complex carbohydrates, whereas lingual lipase initiates the lipid digestions. Saliva provides lubrications and keeps the entire oral cavity moist, thereby prevents infections as well as helps in proper speech. Mastication and deglutition. Saliva is combined with food into a bolus, formation of bolus, which can be easily swallowed via the peristaltic nature. And this is happening only by the presence of the 99% water in saliva, formation of the bolus. Taste. Emulsification of food by saliva helps in the taste perception. They make the bolus little bit from solid to semi-solid in nature. Tissue repair. Saliva helps in tissue repair with the help of growth factors and other proteins. Clinical significance, absence of secretion is dry mouth and blocked by cyst or zone, or reduced production of saliva itself could lead to infection, loss of protection leading to infection, reduced digestion, may produce slurring of speech. Mastication and deglutition is compromised and less taste sensation if the saliva secretion is low. To give an overview, we will see what are the functions of saliva. So we have functions of saliva under major categories: microorganism, effect on microorganism, which could be antiviral, antifungal, or antibacterial. Antiviral, we have immunoglobulins, secretory leukocyte protease inhibitors, cystatins, and mucins. Antifungal, we have substances like histatins, chromogranin, and other immunoglobulins working against the fungal organisms such as candidiasis. Antibacterial include lactoferrin, calprotectin, lysozymes, histatins, cystatins, immunoglobulins, chromogranins, lactoperoxidase enzyme systems, von Ebner-Glanz protein, secretory leukocyte protease inhibitor are some of the antibacterial components secreted by saliva. And the food component, bolus formation, is the mucins and water. Taste is contributed by water, zinc ions, and gustin. Digestion is helped by the amylase, protease, lipase, DNase, and RNase. The buffer function, the teeth-related function, buffer function is by the bicarbonate, phosphates, and protein buffers. Remineralization of enamel is carried out by the proline-rich proteins, tatarins, calcium, and phosphate ions secreted in saliva. Protection against demineralization is via the mucin layer, calcium ions, phosphate ions. Lubrication, proline-rich glycoproteins, mucin in the presence of water together constitute the functions of saliva. So functions of saliva: microorganism, food, teeth. In microorganism, antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial. In food, bolus formation, taste, digestion. Under teeth, lubrication, protection against demineralization, remineralization, buffer, with all the components of saliva. That brings us to and we have to add a clinical significance, especially dry mouth. What are the sequence? With that, we come to the end of the discussion of this question. Happy learning till we meet again. Stay connected with this channel.